Welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So in this session we are going to focus how to apply some data cleansing techniques on your data. Okay, so for example we have a employee data. Okay, so first of all, what is data cleansing? So data cleansing is an essential part of the data processing pipelines. Okay, it ensures that the data used for the analysis or modeling is accurate, consistent or reliable. Okay, so in our last video you have seen how to remove duplicates. So in this video we are going to focus on how to handle missing values. To handle the missing values in SQL we have two functions, is null and coalesce. Okay, so here you can see we have the data and you want to pull all the records where manager ID is not null. So we are going to apply where manager ID is not null. Okay, like this. Now you can see this record seems to duplicate to me, so I want to apply another data cleansing techniques that is distinct. Okay, now we have the accurate data for the analysis, for the reporting. Okay, and now you can take the decision how you are going to handle. If your manager ID is null, then it depends on your business requirement how you are going to handle them. Okay, for example, you have a sales data and you want to check that the sales should be available for each product. That means item the selling amount column can never be null. Okay, so in this case it will ensure that the sale data is accurate. If you are getting some null values in your sales amount column, then data is incorrect. Okay, so guys, you can see it is very easy uh, to remove duplicates or handle missing values in SQL. So please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching us.